Now, application of the law of conservation of momentum. First is rockets and jet aeroplanes work on the principle of conservation of momentum, and this I am leaving up to you. You must study from the book NCERT book, and then you must understand. If you will be having any doubt, then I will explain you in the class. Next is momentum is conserved when a bullet is fired from a gun. We have already studied recoil of the gun. Initially, before a bullet is fired, the initial momentum of the bullet and gun is 0, as their velocities are 0, because both bullet and gun are stationary before firing. When a bullet is fired from a gun, then the bullet has the momentum mass of the bullet into velocity of the bullet. The bullet imparts an equal and opposite momentum to the gun, due to which the gun jerks backwards. The backward velocity of the gun is called recoil velocity. We have already studied what is recoil of the gun. So the velocity of the gun is known as recoil velocity. And please note that this recoil velocity of the gun is always opposite to the velocity of the bullet. The momentum of the gun will be mass of gun into recoil of the gun. So according to law of conservation of momentum, we will equate them. Momentum of the bullet is equal to momentum of the gun. Momentum of the bullet is mass of bullet into velocity of bullet is equal to momentum of the gun is mass of gun into recoil velocity of the gun. So this is the formula we must learn. And please note that the velocity of the bullet, again I am telling, the velocity of the bullet or recoil velocity of the gun will be opposite to the velocity of the bullet. So these both the velocities are of different in different direction naturally. Now let us solve one or two numericals. A bullet of mass 10 gram is fired from a gun of mass 6 kg with a velocity of 300 meter per second. Calculate the recoil velocity of the gun. Now we will put these values in this formula. First of all, mass of the bullet, that is mass of the bullet is 10 gram. 10 divided by 1000, it becomes kg, into velocity of the bullet. Velocity of the bullet is 300 meter per second, is equal to mass of the gun, that is gun is 6 kg, and velocity of the gun, recoil velocity of the gun, which is unknown, which we have to find out. Now we will equate this. This 3 zeros cancel with this 0, this. So we will get only 3 is equal to 6 into Vg. So Vg is equal to 3 divided by 6, that means 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 meter per second. So this is the answer. That means recoil of the gun, recoil velocity of the gun will be 0.5 meter per second, and this velocity will be in the opposite direction to that of the bullet. Now next numerical, the car A of mass 1500 kg traveling at 25 meter per second collides with another car B of mass 1000 kg traveling at 15 meter per second in the same direction. After collision, the velocity of car A becomes 20 meter per second. Calculate the velocity of car B after the collision. We know the formula according to the principle of conservation of momentum. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, which we have already derived. We will use this formula. So car A, we are writing here car A and car B of mass 1500 kg. The mass of the car is 1500 kg. It is traveling with initial velocity 25 meter per second. Collides with another car B of mass 1000 kg. It is also traveling at speed initial velocity 15 meter per second in the same direction. After collision, the velocity of car A becomes 20 meter per second. That is, final velocity of the car A is 20 meter per second, and we have to calculate the final velocity of the car B. So we will put these values in this formula. We will get 1500 into 25 is equal to 1000 into 15 is equal to 1500 into 20 plus 1000 into V2, which is unknown. So we'll put the formula here. We'll get these values, and after solving we will get V2 is equal to 22.5 meter per second. So we can say the velocity of car B after the collision will be 22.5 meter per second. So this is the assignment, very easy assignment I have given. Solve example, already they are solved from your NCERT book. Example number 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, page number 124 to 126. Thank you.